trying to cut your electric bill in half, check these pointers out in this video and hopefully we can save you some money. Number one, change out all your light bulbs to LED light bulbs. Simple as that. They're more efficient, they save way more energy, and they're brighter. So it's a win-win in all types of ways. But yeah, change out all your bulbs to LED light bulbs. Number two, unplug all your appliances. Obviously the stove, taking that out, unplugging it's gonna be a hassle, but it's easy things like your microwave, your TV if you're not using it, your chargers. We leave plugged in 24/7 on the wall, knowing when we get off work, we can come home to the bed, plug in our phone. Simple, but it's charging you so much money on your electric bill that you don't even know. If you want to be really efficient with your saving, get a tablet. Don't use your TV no more, you know? Simple things like that. Just unplug all your appliances, all your chargers, everything that's in the wall, computer chargers, whatever. Unplug everything. Obviously when you're using it, plug it back in, but if you're not using it, go ahead and unplug it. Number three is your AC in the summertime or in the wintertime. Do not touch your AC thermostat. That is the biggest draw to your energy. That literally sucks up all the energy whenever you change the temperature. As soon as you change the temperature, boom, it's a bump in your electric bill. Quick as that. Change your filter out. One thing about it is ACs during the summertime, they overwork themselves. They sweat, they overwork themselves for main reasons, blockage of airflow. So air filter being changed, that definitely would help out. Keeping shade around your AC condenser outside. Your AC condenser in a shaded area, you don't want it to be directly in the sun, compress, overworking itself and sweating. That's gonna literally bump your electric bill up high. And number four, the easiest one out of all of them. Turn off the lights whenever you are not in a room. If you step out of a room, turn off the light. And number five, don't use plug-in devices to save electricity. That does not work. It's a myth. It's all baloney. It don't work. So don't even try those. I think it's like 4 different brands and they do not work. To plug in, you have to use power to even use that device. It just doesn't make sense. So don't fall for that trick. Follow the steps I gave you guys before that. Don't use no plug-in device, and that's it. And hopefully you guys save your electricity bill and cut it in half. And that's the goal, to save money, especially in this economy. So you guys keep watching my videos, keep getting pointers, and you guys keep saving money. Thank you guys. The Handyman out.
In my hands on my face, and I'm still on my feet to the top. In my hands on my face, and I'm still on my feet.